Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel to another episode of Look What the Postman Brought Me. So I guess you're wondering why I'm releasing so few videos. Well, as probably some of you know, I just moved houses and there's a lot of work getting sorted out in the new house and in the garage. So it's taking its time, but hopefully I will soon be able to do some more wrenching on my RC cars as I starting to get the bench place. So hopefully we will get some more wrenching videos. But I'm really looking forward to going running my cars because there's a lot of cool places to go running here in the area. So, but let's get to the main point in this video and what you came to have a look on. So let's see what we got. Yeah, so today I got two big boxes. They're all from the same guy I bought it from. So without saying what it is, let's just open up and see if I got what I actually bought.
Come on. Let's hope it's not just breaking.
So it's out of the box and I got that one. So pause the video and put in the comment section down below which car do you think this is. So yeah, Lipo safe bag, and ta-da! We got a TRF World Edition. Yeah, so where is the, what's the other side? And yes, it's mega used. So what do we have here? We have something that reminds of an RC car. Needs a little bit of TLC, but should be able to get it to work. Yeah, I do have some parts for this kind of car, so yeah. Cool. Let's see what other stuff. We got a lot of wheels. Yeah, a lot of wheels. What do we have here? We got the Lipo. This one is going out of my garage as I exit the garage now. Afterwards, I don't like having stuff like this in my house. Let's see what this is. Much More Racing 2cell 30C. Yeah, interesting. Let's hope them work, or I'm able to get them to take a charge. What's in the icebox? Yeah, parts. Nice. A lot of parts. Of course, used parts, but that doesn't do anything as the car will be a runner. So cool. Let's just close that one. I think I will do later on. I will do my RC car series with my TRF 501 cars, as I have one from earlier. Okay, that one. Let's put it over there. And what do we got here? Wheels. What's this? Speed controller. New wheels. And what's this? White springs. Yeah, cool. Hope one of those are for the rear, because those are hard to get. Tony screw, high-grade alloy steel screw. I'm not sure I'm gonna put some alloy steel screws. Feel kind of heavy. I kind of like the titanium screws better. Yeah. All right. So one more here. Engine or motor, or what we should call it. What's this? Velocity brushless from Novak. Race tuned. Oh, shite. 3.5 run. Or what's it called? Yeah. Feels to be working. So that one's gonna be fun to try. Okay, so it's open. Let's start off with Volvo. Let's see. Oh yeah! Alright. What we have here? TRF 511 body chassis fairing. Chassis fairing. Oh, is that underneath? Cool. That's a cool thing. I like it. So, what do you think this could be? We got ourselves an antenna. So, let's just remove this and have a look. Oh yeah. We got ourselves, just put it there, another 501. I'm not sure if this is a world edition, but it's a 501. Oh, those need some work. Those are not good, but these one, not too bad. Needs yeah, some TLC. I guess you want to see what's underneath here, so let's just take off the body and have a look. And there you go. Everything is here. We got the 5.5. We got the brushless speed control. We got Tamiya. We got the broken. I can make a new one, that's no problem. So yeah, we got some more lipos, and I'll just do this right away. There's no way that they're staying in the garage. They have to go. So these are going out as well with the other one. 3.7, so that's 7.4. So it's a two cell lipo, I guess. Right. Let's open the next box and see what's in it. All right, so we got the box open and let's just remove stuff. First thing we see is this Carson Expert Charger Pro. Let's just double check that it's actually that. Yeah. It looks like a nice charger. We got the controller. A Megatech. Cool. Yeah. So what we got here? A Ford RS 2000 or RS 200. But let's see. Does it say anything here? Yeah, it's a RS 200. I should know this as I'm a big fan. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Last box, I think. So what could be within this box? We got a wing. Oh, it's another 501. Yes, cool. Need some TLC. This one as well. So nice. Let's see. Doesn't sound too bad. This one. Let's take the body off and have a look. So I noticed something. You know how we struggle with the Velcro sticking to the body? Well, the previous owner found a solution for that. Well, I guess it works. Still sticking. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So we got, I guess this is a Novak as well. Can't really see anything. Yeah, it says Novak. Not sure how many turns that are. So we also got some LiPo batteries, so those as well will go out. Yeah, I guess it buttons up. No, not too bad. Not too bad. So I took the controller out of the box just to have a quick look. Wow. When was the last time you used this one? Oh, okay, low battery. Alright. Remember having one of these a long time ago. 40 megahertz, okay. So there you have it. The main things I got from the Postman today. So I got 3 501X cars. I think there is just one World Edition and the other ones are regular 501X, I'm not sure. But I'll find out as I start working on these cars. So, what do you think? Is this just being greedy or being good to the cars, taking care of them and preserving them? So, yeah. So one of these are definitely gonna be a runner, and the state they are in, they won't never be a shelf queen. But once I clean them up and we'll have a look on them, they might be okay. Or maybe I could, well, I was thinking maybe I could swap parts between of these and make one kind of nice looking shelf queen-ish car and use the other one for runners. But if they're not all World Edition, I have to be careful with which parts I use. At least maybe those two can be rebuilt and using the nicest part on one and the most worn out part on the other one is which is going to be the runner. I'm not sure. Yeah, so thank you for checking out my video. If you want to see these cars running, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get a update once I release a new video. And until then, just take care, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.